Nasdaq just tagged a fresh low following the rate decision and then reversed hard. The question now is whether this is the start of something bigger, or just a relief bounce inside a bigger downtrend. Hey, this is Acid Trading, and today we're breaking down the Nasdaq for July 30th. We got a sharp move following the rate decision, and price is now bouncing off that low. Let's get into what the chart is actually telling us. Chart analysis daily. Nasdaq sold off hard after the rate decision, tagging 27,084 before finding buyers. From there, we're seeing a bounce of roughly 1.6% off the low. Looking at the supply zone we've been tracking, you can see it here on the left. Price has now entered that zone, and even pushed through it. I wouldn't call this a confirmed reclaim just yet though, since the daily candle hasn't closed. If Nasdaq settles above 27,046, that meaningfully increases the odds of this bounce extending further as a corrective retracement. That supply zone spans 27,126 down to 26,898. For this to develop into a genuine trend reversal rather than just a corrective bounce, Nasdaq needs to reclaim 28,231. Until that level is taken out, treat any strength here as relief within the broader downtrend, not a change of trend. Chart analysis intraday. Zooming into the 15-minute chart, Nasdaq is extending its bounce through the Asian session. At this stage, there's no clean long entry visible on this time frame. Buyers are better served waiting for a break of the resistance trendline before engaging. The zone I'd consider for entries is marked in yellow. 28th yuan 26 stands out. As the key level here, it marks the top of the supply zone on this time frame. A clean break above it would carry real significance for this bounce continuing. On the sell side, a break of the rising trendline combined with a move below 27,353 is the setup I'd favor for downside continuation. And if 27,000 gives way, that opens the door for price to revisit the lower boundary of that daily supply zone at 26,898. Key levels to watch. Reclaim needed for trend reversal, 28,231. Intraday inflection, 28,126. Daily supply zone, 27,026 to 26,098. Downside trigger break below, 27,353, 27,000. Outlook. If Nasdaq settles above 27,426 and holds, expect the bounce to extend, but this remains corrective until 28,231 is reclaimed. Below that, we're still in relief rally territory, not trend reversal. If the rising trendline breaks and price loses 27,353, that favors downside continuation, with 27,000 and then 26,198 as the levels in play. By the way, if you've been liking the chart tools I trade through Vantage. I'll drop my link in the description if you want to. Check them out. Just keep in mind CFDs carry significant risk, so do your own research before signing up with anyone.